Namaskaram. This is Violin Sisters Lalita and Nandini. March 24, 2026 happens to be the 250th birth anniversary of Shri Muthuswami Dikshitar.
Hence, we wanted to do a Sangeetanjali and render his composition Shri Guruna Palitosmi in the Raga Padi. Shri Guruna Palitosmi, Shri Guruna Palitosmi, Sachidanandana Shri Guruna Palitosmi, Sachidanandana Agamadi sanotena Akhila Vishwa Vanditena Tyagaraja Vibhatena Tapatraya Sametena Shri Guruna Palitosmi Vedanta Taverena Vikalparoga Vaidena Nadamrita Supadena Navanatena Sadagya Kalakarena Sadashiva Vatarena Nadanta Viharena Navachakradarena Padambujena Parena Vera Vidarena Adi Guru Bhagavarena Kadi Madamanusa Rena Shri Guruna Palitosmi Sachidanandana